In this video, we will see how we can create a record triggered flow if we want to update the lead status to anything when we create lead initially, like setting a default value whenever a lead is created in the system, no matter what type of lead it is or what means, like there is no criteria as such to filter out the leads for updation. Just whenever a lead is created, uh, its status should be updated to not contacted or open. So let's see that. So first of all, we will select record triggered flow because we want to update something whenever that particular record meets that condition or a particular record has been created in the system. So then we will click create button. So now this is the canvas for the flow builder. So now we have to select the object. So the object is lead object. And whenever a record is created, set entry conditions. There is no entry condition as such. We want to update the field of the same record which is triggering this flow. In this, we can just go to, we can click on done, and then we will update the triggering record. So update. So now it's a status field update. You can name it anything, but just it should be something specific so you will be aware of what we are doing in this update operation. Then we have status field. We will update it to open not contacted. We will save this flow. We will name this flow. So it's a before flow because uh, we have opted for fast field updates, which is in context to before. So this, if we select this, this is in after trigger, and now I will debug this. I don't think so. If there is any lead in the system I have created as such. So I will create new lead. Okay. Just go to lead object and see that record in that. Just want to showcase like how this debug works. So this is data management. In sales app, we will get that lead object. So lead object will be here. So, so this is the lead. If I will hit on run, so then it will show us the debug log. So entry condition is null, so the entry has been started. Always update record, update the record field. Status is set to this. Now, because the flow ran in rollback mode, any changes to add or delete or modify records were rolled back. So now I will activate this flow. This is how you can debug, and then I will create a new lead. Last name and then company is mandatory, I will save this, and now if I go to that particular lead, details of that lead. Now we will check the status field. So as you can see, the status field is now updated to open not contacted. So this is how you can implement a simple flow, and as we all are aware of, like a sooner means the workflow and process builder will not be there, and there will be no support for the same, and all the things will be moving to flows. So a record triggered flow is the alternate solution for the workflows and majorly for workflow and process build. So we get all the functionality which was there in workflow and process builder majorly in the flows, but majorly we use record triggered flow to update the values uh, of the record if it meets the particular criteria. So in that scenario, the best the best flow type which we can use is record triggered flow. So thank you.